G'day folks. I think it's since the weather's starting to heat up pretty quick now, I'd get this little Braemar air conditioner back together again. This is the one that I picked up a good few months ago that was dropped, and the plastic base is all broken away on it. So I'm going to take, can't remember who it was that suggested it, but I'm going to take their advice and screw it down to a piece of MDF as a substrate. And what I worked out for the condensate drain, since all this is busted up in here, I'm going to get some nylon tubes and bushings and just silicone 2 drain tubes into this pan here, which is intact. Maybe build the sides up a little bit and use that as my condensate drain. I'll just run the tubes around here and out through the back end. That way I can bypass all this stuff here which is busted. Normally the condensate would cool here first and go under the condensing coil, but it's not going to have that anymore. It's just too wrecked. Got the cover and everything else cleaned up. The coils are a wreck, but they still work. Just got to get it all back in again. That's a lot better. Good sturdy base now. Screwed it down wherever I can and sealed the underside with glue. Just seal that up a little bit just in case, but this condensate drain should work quite well now. So figure out where these went. I think that one goes there. And that one there. It's part of that underneath there. There's another bit of the compressor that's missing too, which is still attached to the compressor. The third mount. Yeah, that's much better. A tube of liquid nails, a caulking gun of your choice, pneumatic or otherwise, and I know there were some pieces always missing. I never found all the bits. This thing was sitting in mud up to about here when I got to it, and all these bits were lost when I got it, so it'll hold. I'm going to plumb condensate tubes through here anyway, so that's irrelevant. I'll just put some aluminium over it and leave it as it is. But this thing will work again, no problem. Let's see if the old thing still works. Yeah. You run it. With lightning out there. Crap inside that casing. Frosting up. Might be a bit low on gas though. Yeah, no airflow, that's the problem. Beautiful. There we go. All done. I don't have the front fascia for it yet, but I'll make something up. I decided to go with black since I had an abundance of it, and well, probably not the best colour for hot summer days, but considering they paint these dark brown or they rust up to a dark colour, it doesn't really matter. It looks pretty good as a little black box. It works just fine now. Okay, well that's the Braemar installed. Came out quite nice. Works very well too. I didn't bother putting timber in here yet because I'm putting a bigger unit in. I'm selling this one to a YouTuber, Matty VT93. I'm still going to try and find a fascia for it, or at least put some vents on it if I can. Have to stop the air from circulating down back through the coil. I've just been using that with an old battery sitting on top of it. But that's about it. It's crude, but it works. High fan, low fan, low cool, and high cool. Works pretty well for a half-ton unit. Cools my bedroom pretty well. Not too noisy. It's A little bit noisy, but I've had worse. Condensate pan's complete and working. Yeah, that's it works. Thanks for watching.